Welcome. I'm going to show you how to edit the transparent PNG Computer Mockup in Pixlr. So first go to pixlr.com in any web browser, pixlr.com, and it'll give you two options, the advanced paid version or the playful free version. So we'll click on the playful free version. And then on the left side here, you want to click on Open Image and find the PNG version of the computer mockup. And click Choose, and it'll ask you about the size. Go with the original size. And then now we want to add our website. So on the left hand side here, there's a bunch of icons. The bottom one that says Add Image, when you hover over it, click on that, and it'll give you several options. We're going to click on the top one, Browse, to get the website off our computer. And then it's going to ask us if we want to create a new document or add it to the current document. So click Add Current. Right now it's a little big. So these four corners right here, hold down the Shift key to keep it proportional, and then just click and drag in to make it smaller. Clicking and dragging out will make it bigger if you need to do that. And then when you see the little four arrows here, you can kind of move it around. And we actually need it to be behind the transparent screen. So we'll look on the right side here on this Layers panel, and we'll double click on this little lock for the computer mockup so that it's not locked anymore. And then we'll click and drag the layer with the website underneath the computer. And that's all there is to adding your website to the PNG mockup. And when you're all done, on the bottom here where it says Save, you can just click Save. And it'll give you several options. You probably want to save it as a JPEG for use as thumbnails, like on Etsy. I'd change the quality to 100, make sure it's on high, and then just click Download. And it'll let you know that it saved it to the default download folder. You can also change that folder if you want to. And then if you wanted to save an original Pixlr document, you could click Save again and go back and save a PXD file and download that. And that's all there is to adding your website to the PNG Computer Mockup. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you and have a great day.